What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy JD92, coming back at y'all with another unboxing slash unbagging. Yeah, but nah, man, we got just two packages that recently came in today. Hold up, what the fuck is up with the voice, dog? God damn.
You're a thirsty bitch.
My bad, y'all. I don't know what the hell that was. Like, my shit been straight all day. As soon as I jump on camera, I hit puberty. But now, so we got this one right here. It's from Amazon. This right here is from StockX, of all places. But nah, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button for me, and let's go ahead and get into this. So, unfortunately, this one ain't vegan friendly. Like my last review of the Vision Racer. If you haven't seen it, go check that out for me. Definitely appreciate that. And also go view the Quantum Racer in that barium colorway. Go view that for me. Greatly, definitely appreciate that. What up, Loli? Hi. This is my puppy. You want camera time? No. You just want to see what I was doing? Don't lick my lotion. But nah. So, alright, this is clean. So this one right here, I actually bought to go with this. Just so happened it came in on the same day. And like I said, I bought this from Amazon. And y'all should not be surprised that I bought this from Amazon. Why? I bought hella clothes from Amazon. Now look, I've been looking for like this style coat for a minute. It's just, I can never find it in my size. The first one I bought did not fit me, and that shit was like Chinese, and I had to end up giving it to Savage Beauty because it didn't fit. It fit her better than it fit me. But if you're not hip, I'm talking about like this, I don't even think this shit gonna fit me. This overcoat, this like all plaid overcoat, you know, I've been looking for one of these for the longest. Just I haven't been able to pick this up. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna hang it up back here so I can see it better. Alright, so yeah, y'all see it right here. I doubt I do like B-roll or something, but this is the bottom of the coat right here. It's pretty long. I got this in a 2X. If y'all want me to, I'll just put the link in the description.
Nani?
These bitches is always coming in here loud as fuck, and then she start barking. Loli. My bad, y'all. God damn. But yeah, like I was saying, got this in a size 2X. I'll put the link in the description. I think this might have been the last 2X, and it should have flashed on screen how this fit me. But this jump is dope. It feels pretty good. So like I said, if I didn't fuck with it, I wouldn't put the link in the description. And I would not hook y'all up with like some bullshit clothes. They had this white one and they have a red and black one. So go check that out. Amazon. Shit was only 50 bucks. So you can't really beat that. But next up, what I got to go with it, and of course you guys can see it's a pair of shoes. Just so happened, like I said, these came on the exact same day. So let's get straight into these. I haven't seen any YouTubers really talking about this shoe like they used to. I haven't seen that many reviews from like popular YouTubers. And maybe because I just haven't been on YouTube like that. I have been watching Sons of Anarchy a lot lately, so that might be a reason. But either way, let's go ahead and pull this box out. This shit looks small. I know you guys might not be able to, damn, this shit big. Y'all might not be able to tell what this is, but man, the box shipping and handling was not there. Shout out to my man T-Moon. But if you know that logo, it's a cold wall. So yes, I managed to cop the cold walls. collab with Converse, and of course they the boots. Cause I ain't really fucking with the other pair, like the Air Force One looking Jones. Get out the box. Get out the box, booby. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna give my first thoughts, reactions, and opinions. Shout out to StockX once again. And of course I'm gonna be doing a full review on it and everything. Damn, that's a lit card. It's dope. Shout out to StockX. Even though we don't really fuck with you like that. Still appreciate it. Oh, these are clean. Oh, okay. Thank God. Alright. Bet. So here are the cold wall Converse boot jumps. They definitely look like Chuck Taylors. Like they just a boot Chuck Taylor. That's what I'm seeing, and I'm fucking with it. So, just my initial thoughts and opinion. These are clean. Like in the like photos I've seen, like it looks super white. Like I thought these were white, and I was like mad nervous. But just seeing them, like I could finesse this. I could finesse it. Alright, cool. Just seeing them, like I thought they was like super white, but seeing them in person, they're like grayish green almost, like a military boot type jump. Like the materials feel lit. Like this bitch feel heavy duty. But of course, I'm gonna give y'all the full review on these, with size and everything once I try them on and everything. So just be looking out for that. I'm not sure when I drop this video. I might have dropped it on a Sunday. I try not to drop on Sundays just because football's back and Power's back, and I don't be feeling like competing. But I might like drop my unboxing. Shit. Speaking of dropping, I might start dropping my unboxings on Sundays, just because I'll drop during the week, but hey, stop eating the damn box. Come here. Come. Huh. You like the shoe? Say hi. This is Loli, in case some of y'all haven't met her. If she's a little bad, say hi. Ow. Look, booby. Look. Look at the kid. She is not fucking with it. You stay up here. You like these? She a sneakerhead too. I can tell she likes them because she'll start licking it. She's not too much of a Jordan 1 fan. Just if we're being real. She likes like Air Maxes and shit. So I think she's a true sneakerhead. But nah, man, these are clean. These are fire. I can't wait to do the review. I'm probably about to do the on feet right now, and then get into the review. So y'all just be looking out for that. Yeah, man, this is the end of this unboxing. Shout out to the cold walls. These are cleaner and more durable than I first thought they were gonna be. So this is dope. This is clean. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, the like button for your boy. Go ahead and slap that subscribe button so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. You already know you finesse game strong, you don't go wrong. Shout out to all my new subs. We love and appreciate y'all for joining the gang. You wanna follow me on anything? I just be on Instagram and Twitter, so just follow me at jdiggy92. I'm more active on IG than I am Twitter, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm old now, so I don't be feeling like tweeting all day. But nah, man. Shout out to that art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go cop y'all some dope art to and yeah, man. Shout out to all my other channels. And Lolo, you want a YouTube's? Lolies, you want a YouTube channel? No? You not feeling it? Alright. But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Say bye. Bye. Oh gosh. You feeling these? No. Oh god. She hates them.